gel and our clothes are never dirty. Leaves my heart longing for the simple satisfaction of a truck driving man. Truck driving man.
West. I can just picture the Indians. Uh-oh, there's my song. We just came through Amarillo. My morning. My morning. Sing a Big George.
That sun's beaming in on me.
Is it on?
Yeah.
This is how people live in El Paso. Can't you ever think about moving down here? Don't rent nothing. Watch over this hill right here. We are still in New Mexico. Barely. Then we got 50 miles before we get to Arizona. UFO y'all seen out here on the stretch highway. I can't stand California. We heard that. Get back to Texas. I don't know how them fools can afford the prices out there. Stars, ain't they? Yeah, for a year or two, maybe. You're not visit the Betty Ford plant. That's the deal on that shit. Blinker fluid's leaking. How'd you like to run off that right there? Woo! Okay, let me out first. Now we just crossed the Arizona state line. And we're about 300 miles from our destination. Glendale, Arizona. Get some footage. Arizona's not nearly as pretty as New Mexico is.
There's something of ours. Mountains. There's more mountains.
Hello, come in. Waiting, got a copy. Here we are at the Geronimo Village. There's Brian. There's the truck. There's a TP. This is Phoenix, Arizona. Get a shot, Brian. Phoenix, you're right. Phoenix, Arizona.
That's part of downtown.
Get a shot over here to the other side of downtown.
Down over here. Who downtown? hell out of this state. Navarre. Unfortunately. We ain't out of here already.
Good morning. We're still in, where are we in, Arizona?
Somewhere. Head
We're in
towards
Arizona,
Tucson.
heading towards Tucson. Get a little picture of the little mountains around here.
Uh-oh. Breeze. There's a mountain and all the dirt on the windshield.
We just got loaded with cottonseed headed to Autumndale, Mississippi.
Little mountain.
Van Horn, Texas.
Beyond those mountains and beyond the blue sky is a country we know as Mexico.
Or Mexico.
Easy yard. And over them mountains is a river called the Rio Grande. There's the famous bug.
Oh. What a man. What a man.
Woo! Trying to get a booger in your nose.
We are coming up on Pecos, Texas. You see the lights way down there. How far are we out of there? We're at about several miles. There's old Codhead. I've been farting and he's been
Dang.
dying. He got mad a while ago and said, roll down the damn window.
Like riding with a skunk. A wet skunk.
Woo! I can't help it, I get gas, I gotta let it out. Well, I guess we'll film some more whenever it gets daylight. We're out of here. Hello, come in. Dallas, Texas. The Big D. Two o'clock in the damn morning.
Truck driving man, loaded up, fired up, and running the way he can. Give him your keys, you'll understand. Well, I don't want a doctor, don't want a lawyer, I want a truck driving man. Said I don't want a doctor, don't want a lawyer, I want a truck driving man. Truck driving man. Truck driving man. All I want's a truck driving man, loaded up, fired up, and running the way he can. Give him your keys, you'll understand. Why I don't want a doctor, don't want a lawyer, I want a truck driving man. Said I don't want a doctor, don't want a lawyer, I want a truck driving man.